Hey YouTube, this is Chris back with another video. In this video, I am going to quickly show you how to connect your social media to your website. Now, there's two ways that you probably are going to have your social media displayed on your website. One is going to be having links from either text or social icons to your Instagram, Facebook, um, YouTube, whatever the case may be. You can connect many different platforms to your website, any platform really. If you have the icon or if you just want to have plain text on it. So a couple of those examples would be these two right here. So we could have it in text format, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, or we could have social icons. Now, most of the time, they're going to be social icons. In order to connect these social icons, all you have to do is go into Wix Editor, click on this social bar, and then click Set Social Icons. That is going to pull up this screen where you can select the network that you want to connect to, and then click right here. And this is going to allow you to paste in the URL address of the social network. So for example, this is connected to Wix's Instagram right now. This is going to be connected to Facebook, and this is going to be connected to YouTube. So feel free if you ever want to update this, or if you ever want to, sometimes somebody doesn't have social media, set up when they have their website built. It is very easy to come in and connect it if you need to do so. The alternative would be to have the text displayed as such, which is a nice aesthetic if you wanted to kind of spell out what the channels were and not have just icons. So for this, we would just need to double click the text, so because it's just plain text on the page, and then we have the ability to click on our link or link it and open up that same screen where we can paste in the URL to our social network. And then we would just click done, and then that will link LinkedIn to LinkedIn. If you do not want it underlined, we can just highlight it and then click the underline icon, and that is it. That will be linked to your website. Now, don't forget, once you connect your social media to the website, to save it and then publish it. So then somebody on the outside world can see what you have done to your website. The other type of social media that might be on your website is an Instagram feed. I like to put these on websites if they have if there's a good social presence on Instagram. For this, all you would have to do is come into Wix Editor, click on Instagram, and then click Settings, and that is going to ask you to sign into either your business account or your personal account. Now, it depends on what kind of Instagram account you have. If you don't know, you can go onto your Instagram platform, go into your settings, and it will tell you if you have a personal or business account. And then whichever that account is, you would just sign in that manner. It'll have you sign into your Instagram account. It'll ask to give permission to Wix and allow for profile information and feed information. And then when you post on Instagram, it'll actually post on your website as well. So every time you post, it'll show up on your website. You won't have to update your website at all. It'll automatically do it for you. So very easy. And that is how you connect your social networks to Wix. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let me know. If you need a website, CS Pro Media, I am your guy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.